Welcome back to the Maker Show. My name is Jeff Krepke, and I just wanted to catch you up on some of the happenings in my life and the channel and going forward and stuff. I don't know if you saw the video, but I posted a quick video about how of the sponsorship of the channel by Aircrete.com. So that's actually one of my companies. One of my passions is going to be going forward is Aircrete. So the channel's kind of merged with my website, Aircretesystems.com, where I'm going to be concentrating on developing a concrete Aircrete block system called butterfly blocks, and it's going to be a lightweight building blocks system that I'm going to try to roll out to the United States, because the United States just doesn't have any Aircrete to speak of at all, and especially blocks. So I'm going to go ahead and focus on that, and I'm going to have I've over the last couple of years of recorded a lot of content, and now that I got a professional video editing software that's licensed and stuff, I can go ahead and shoot some more intros and put out some more content of what I've filmed previously. So I hope you enjoy and stay with the channel, and please comment, rate, and subscribe for more. Thanks a lot.